Here's a new 2022 Genesis G90. Enjoy the luxurious combination of contemporary classic design, helpful technology, and superior comfort. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. Athletic elegance, refined performance. This is Genesis. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crain Highway in Bowie, Maryland.